Are you looking for the best Android Auto head units reviews? In this video we will look at some of best Android Auto head units reviews. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ATOTO Android Auto Head Unit. ATOTO is a well-known car stereo brand that offers in-depth customized Android-based car entertainment systems, car multimedia and accessories, at a greater value and affordable price. This ATOTO S8 Standard, Gen 2, takes first position in this list due to its feature-rich options. This Android Auto head unit uses a 7-inch display with a 1024 by 600 resolution IPS screen with a 178 degrees viewing angle. It runs on the Android 10.0 version and you can get 3GB RAM and 32GB ROM storage with this unit to have optimum performance. The system volume gets adjusted automatically as per the car's speed with its speed-compensated volume control. Apart from regular car stereo features, it offers several amazing features like dual Bluetooth, an octa-core processor, a 12nm manufacturing process, a digital photo frame option, screen lock option, personal privacy protection, and others to ensure safe driving with its easy-to-operate features. Its universal double DIN will make it highly compatible to install them perfectly in any vehicle without cutting or trimming. Also, you can get a 1-year-long warranty with this Android Auto head, which lets you stay with peace of mind. Supports a 7-inch 1024 by 600 IPS display. Runs on Android 10.0 new version. Comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB ROM. Backed by a 1-year-long warranty. 3 ways to connect network: Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth, USB tethering network. Speed compensated volume control. Personal privacy protection is available. A bit expensive option. Wired CarPlay quality would have been better. S8 Gen 2 is the second generation of ATOTO S8 Android car stereo, and its SoC applies a 12nm manufacturing process, higher efficiency, lower consumption, ARM Cortex octa-core processor, high performance, and latest ATOTO ITSA UI 11.0, deep customization on Android Q. New ATOTO S8 can bring confidence and satisfaction under various operations. There are 3 options available for internet access: Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth and USB tethering. Traditional Android car stereos only have a Wi-Fi option. Number 2. Hikity Android Auto Head Unit. You can also consider Hikity and its offerings if you are in the market for a new Android Auto head unit and want something affordable and budget-friendly for your car. Hikity's Android Auto head unit is present at the second position in this listicle as it is one of the cheapest options available out there. And despite its given price tag, you get a pretty large display size of 10.1 inch with this head unit, which is combined along with a decent 1024 by 600 screen resolution. However, similar to the previous ATOTO's entry-level offering, this one also runs on the outdated Android 6.0 operating system. In fact, its performance is also quite average since it has just 1GB RAM and 16BG onboard storage. That being said, you do get a 1-year warranty with it, which is always great to have with your Android Auto head unit. Supports a 10.1-inch 1024 by 600 display. Runs on Android 6.0. Comes with 1GB RAM and 16GB ROM. Backed by a 1-year warranty. Uses an outdated version of Android. Android 13 car stereo. Hikity 10.1-inch Android car stereo fits for most general-purpose 2-DIN car center console. Android system quad-core with 1GB RAM and 32GB ROM ensures smooth operation and fast response. 10.1-inch capacitive 2.5D tempered glass touchscreen, with high-resolution 1024 by 600. Buttons light on the panel can be turned on, could be viewed clearly at night. Number 3. Binize Android Auto Head Unit. The next product on our list is from the Binize, a fairly small brand when it comes to Android Auto head units, yet offers fairly rich features at an affordable price. This double-DIN Android car stereo has a large 10.1-inch display that supports a 1024 by 600 resolution, which is superior than other options. It offers a customized Link app for Apple CarPlay, wireless Bluetooth, and Android Auto, wired original USB, without any need to download the Android Auto app. Since this is a fairly new Android Auto head unit, it is powered by the Android 10.0 for its operating system. It also offers 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage that let you install all apps easily, and it is great to have for smooth performance. Besides regular features, it has a stable radio frequency, FM, AM, or RDS, GPS navigation, supports both online and offline maps, steering wheel control, DSP sound effect, customized hi-fi music effect, and built-in Wi-Fi receiver, and front and rear camera input. Supports a 10.1-inch touchscreen with 1024 by 600 display. Runs a new version of Android 10.0. Comes with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM. Support online and offline map navigation. Support steering wheel control and hand brake control. No information on its warranty. Won't support Samsung Mobile 5G phone hotspot connection. Number 4. Podofo Android Auto Head Unit. Podofo is another brand of Android Auto Head units that offers a wide range of entry-level and value-for-money options that offer various handy features to be used in your car. The Podofo Android Auto Head unit offers quite a lot to the user for the given price, which makes it a great value-for-money pick. Just like most other Android Auto Head units out there, this one also uses a 7-inch 1024 by 600 display. Other than its display, you even get a reverse parking camera included in the box, which further adds a handy functionality to your car. Because this Android Auto Head unit is powered by Android 9.1, you can expect to get most of the latest features. And since it even supports the latest Android apps, Podofo has included 2 GB of RAM with 32 GB storage to allow you to easily install all apps of your choice. Although, despite having a 1-year warranty, the build quality of this Android head unit is a bit average. Supports a 7-inch 1024 by 600 display. Runs on Android 9.1. Comes with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM. Backed by a 1-year warranty. Build quality could have been better. Upgrade Android system, car radio with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, 2 GB RAM and 32 GB flash memory. It runs more smoothly and more effectively. 1024 by 600 super high resolution and touch sensitive screen make it addictive fun to watch 1080p videos. GPS navigation, head unit with built-in GPS receiver for offline navigation. With Wi-Fi, hotspots, connected, on maps, Waze/nav free etc., can be used perfectly. What's more, you can download, install and delete over thousands of Android apps, just like your smartphone. Multifunction, FM radio with 18 preset stations. Support Bluetooth for hands-free calling and music playing. Support rear-view camera output, include a HD waterproof camera, steering wheel control, mirror link, car logo change and more. Input and output, double USB adapter input, you can connect your phone and make phone charging. Support RCA input/output. Support camera input, it will turn into the parking mode automatically when reversing, ensuring you're a safety driving. Camera is included. Number 5. Ankway Android Auto Head Unit. Ankway is one of the best brands in car electronics that offer professional car multimedia system solutions to upgrade the video and audio system of the car. This Android 9.1 doubled-in car stereo has a 7-inch screen with a 1080p HD touchscreen that lets you view GPS navigation maps, movies, audio, music, or FB to have safe and entertaining trips. Yet, its performance is quite average since it has just 1 GB RAM and 16 GB onboard storage. It supports USB/Wi-Fi/steering wheel control/Bluetooth that will let you connect calls or play music. A reverse parking camera is included in the box, which adds extra functionality to your car. Also, you get a 1-year warranty with it to enjoy uninterrupted services offered by your Android Auto Head unit. Runs on the Android 9.1 system. Supports 7 inches 1080p HD touchscreen. Comes with 1 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM. Backed by a 1-year warranty. Easy to install and operate. The limited RAM and storage offer poor performance. Need to buy the installation frame separately.